Project tour of a 1990 Chevy pickup. This pickup will be restored. It's in very good shape. Paint's a little worn, but the motor is in the machine shop, and when it gets out we will be rebuilding the motor and doing some other work to it and getting it back on the road. Here's a front shot. As you can see, the grill, even this piece here, is in great shape. This is, usually you do not see them in this good a shape. Grill is not broken. Bumpers are straight. Side view here. It's buried in the bushes. It's been sitting here for quite a while. And here's the other side. Kind of a bad shot there, but there we go. The box is full, but this is a long bed. So, toolbox in the back. As you can see, these, and there's no dings, no flaws. Only peel and paint. That's a Chevy feature. All Chevys do that, especially of this year. Because I honestly think Chevy, I mean, I know this is not the case, but it's almost like Chevy just takes their products to Mako and says, here you go. So, because I've seen Mako paint jobs that are just like a Chevy paint job, peeling after about a year. Now let's go inside.